My inspiration was Viral Bhayani and the other PAP page.
You will start this Gujarat's first PAP page or maybe a PAP platform.
Yeah. Everybody is talking of Mumbai. Come here, see. And these people, Mumbai Delhi ka war hi khatam ho jayega. Ye to, like, come to Gujarat and you will get to know what we are all about.
And you being Sindhi, धंधा तो आता ही है. मतलब ऐसे निकालो खून में से धंधा
I am a deadly combination of Sindhi being from Gujarat.
Yes.
No, this is not going to go away. I'm not 10 years in this industry of PAPs. I've just begun.
Hello, Radio City No Studio and a khas Talk No latest episode. And this episode is even more khas because, you know, we are going to speak to somebody who actually PAPs and interviews other people, and she's being interviewed today by me at Radio City Studio. આપણે જેમના પેજને બહુ ફોલો કરીએ છીએ અને આપણને એમ થઈ જાય કે ત્યાં સવારમાં ઉઠીને બે ચાર પોસ્ટ ન આવી હોય તો કે યાર વોટ ઇઝ રોંગ, વોટ ઇઝ હેપનિંગ ઇન ગુજરાત, આપણને ખબર કેમ કંઈ નથી. સો ડીસી પેપ જેમનો વિચાર છે, જેમણે જેની શરૂઆત કરી છે, એ દીપાલી ચટવાની is with us in the studio. Hi DC.
Hi.
So should I call you DC or Dipali?
You should call me Dipali. You know me from my Dipali days.
Yeah. So just a little bit context. Dipali was my junior in college. We have studied journalism from the same college, and I think your super senior.
Super senior.
Yeah. So ત્યાંથી શરૂ કરીને અહીંયા સુધી maybe આપણને નહોતી ખબર કે we will come a long way.
I know.
અને you will start this Gujarat's first PAP page or maybe a PAP platform. જેને હવે લોકોને આદત પડી ગઈ છે. So let's talk about the idea behind this. Like ગુજરાતમાં પણ એક પોતાનું PAP page હોઈ શકે. Like national level પર we know કે બોલિવૂડમાં ને બધું ઘણું ચાલતું હોય છે. પણ આ વિચાર ક્યાંથી આવ્યો? So what was the inspiration behind this?
See, I'll not lie at all. My inspiration was Viral Bhayani and the other PAP pages. I'm very clear about it. But then there was something that was missing here. और यहाँ पे glamour उतना ही है और हमेशा से था, but nobody captured it. And you know how in journalism, in radio, basically in media industry, you understand, you exactly know what's happening with right kind of people and what kind of exposure people are gaining. So when it comes to that, you have a platform of a radio where you can talk without taking names. I was a journalist, I couldn't take name, I had to write, and you know, there was a lot, plus there's too many limitations. So then I wanted to have a platform which talks about everything subtly and people get to know. Today, if a businessman walks, you get to see what brands he's wearing. Today, you see an actor walking, you see exactly what car he's getting out of. You exactly know what people are doing and how they're living, and all of this cannot be covered on radio or on print platform like that. So when you actually make people watch, so ये सब कुछ ना बहुत missing लग रहा था कि यार ये देख रहे हैं तो इस पे, you know, people got, and this is what exactly was happening in Mumbai and when it comes to other PAP pages. So it's like this is missing, and the same kind of, or maybe more than that of a glamour is here in Gujarat, not just in Ahmedabad. You look at Surat, you look at Rajkot, they're absolutely colorful people out there in different ways possible. So वो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार ये capture ही नहीं हो रहा. Everybody is talking of Mumbai. Come here, see, and these people, Mumbai Delhi का war ही खत्म हो जाएगा. ये तो like come to Gujarat and you will get to know what we are all about, and they'll be like, you know, taking inspiration from all of that, all the bling that you get to see here.
Correct.
Oh my God, that's best of it. So you know, वो सोच के लगा यार ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए. So that's when we thought, let's just do this, and you know, that's when we actually told our editor also, when I was working with one of the newspapers. So they said that this is not our time to do something like this. So then I had this in mind in 2017, 18, 19. All of that got over. Then COVID hit, and again the whole thing ki kab karenge. And also I moved my city. I moved to Mumbai at that time. Everything was new for me. So I also entered entrepreneurship officially back then. So everything was new. I was exploring my agency, my chat show, all of these two I had launched. बचा यही था. So I was like, अभी कैसे करेंगे? And then at that time, Viral Bhayani gained a lot of views and popularity and everything. So that's when I thought, yeah, look at him. He's you know, making content even during COVID. Like he's picking up content from the actors' pages only, and you know, still making it active. how can we not do this when everything's going to go back to normalcy? So 2021, when there was a ray of hope that, you know, COVID is thoda
जा रहा है,
wooing away and everything, so then I was like, let's just start. And then June onwards, we were like, you know, this is what it is. We're coming up with something like this. You know, Mr. Chiranjeev Patel, he's my mentor. So I told him that I want to do something like this. Yeah, absolutely, you should do it. When he said absolutely do it, ये लो logo, ये भी बना दिया, ये लो तो अच्छा ये भी बना दिया, ऐसे page भी बन गया, let's just do it. So I was waiting for him to just say yes. And then we just take it ahead. And that's how it all started on 9th of June 2021. We are today sitting in 2025.
Awesome. 4 years. And it's been an amazing journey for her. क्योंकि journalism में हमें ये तो नहीं सिखाया था. And you being Sindhi, धंधा तो आता ही है. मतलब ऐसे निकालो खून में से धंधा निकलेगा.
I am a deadly combination of Sindhi being from Gujarat.
Yes, of course.
So yeah, I had people around me all about dhanda, and I had so many contacts. I had spent such a long time. You also know, you've been in this industry. You know, I've been, you know, following Gujarati film industry. We were the first ones to write, you know, as a newspaper about the industry, which was not even there, and we were trying to make something out of it. You would know.
Yeah.
There were times when we were writing so much, and we were like, "Itna kuch hai hi nahi industry mein that she's writing so much." So premieres हो गया, वहाँ का fashion हो गया. What premiere fashion back then was and what today is
now is completely different.
It's just very different. We tried creating that kind of content, and from that to not doing that would have been, you know, really injustice to my all of these years of slogging, mehnat, everything. So there's like, you know, might as well utilize, because तुम chat show भी करोगे तो एक बार मिलोगे तुम साल में. But how else to get all of these on that platform and let them reach to another level just by paps? That's how you reach talent also a lot of times. So I just felt that why not just do it? So yeah.
So जैसे you mentioned that back then Gujarati industry was something else. It is on a different level right now, and we are sure that it is moving ahead to achieve great heights. But do you think that आज pap culture છે એનો પણ ફાળો છે ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીને વધારે એક્સેસિબલ બનાવવામાં or વધારે talked about factor add કરવામાં?
So I'll tell you, when these guys started in Mumbai, when Mumbai Pap started, Bollywood was always there. ऐसा नहीं था कि Bollywood नहीं था. यहाँ इंडियन सिनेमा ग्रो नहीं हुआ था. वो अलग लेवल पे ग्रो हो रहा था, और वो बड़ा ब्रांच है सिनेमा का. उसमें तुम साउथ को भी गिन ही सकते हो. तुम सिनेमा की बात कर रहे हो. हमारे यहाँ का सिनेमा ग्रो कर रहा था. दैट्स व्हेन वी लॉन्च्ड आवरसेल्व्स कि हम साथ में ग्रो होंगे. एंड टुडे ऐसा मैं नहीं कह सकती कि हमारी वजह से वो ग्रो हुए हैं या उनकी वजह से हम ग्रो. हम सारे साथ में ग्रो हुए हैं. अ लॉट ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स, एक्टर्स गेट टू सी अ लॉट ऑफ टैलेंट. अ लॉट ऑफ टैलेंट गेट्स टू सी अ लॉट ऑफ prospect investors for their films, prospect producers for their films right there. They don't even realize that who basically are going to watch you like this.
So have you come across any such incidences, or maybe તને ખબર પડી હોય કે અહીંયાથી જોઈને ટેલેન્ટ ઇન્ટ્રોડ્યુસ થઈ અથવા અહીંયાથી જોઈને પ્લાન બન્યો or whatever?
So I know of 2 people who are looking forward to now, because of this, they are looking forward to work with 2 of the stars of Gujarati film industry.
Wow.
Number 1, that. Number 2, I'll tell you, not a lot of people in Gujarat also knew a lot about Gujarati film industry until we started papping certain people. Of course, their films were also doing well, and around that time when you pap, it's a very good connect. So like if a web series is going very well, and around that time if that actor gets papped, it's a very good connect. So the same way we started doing, and we start वहाँ पे paid है, यहाँ पे तो we don't even, you know, right now it's more like a support than taking money right now for the industry. So when it comes to marketing and everything for films, of course it's paid. But when it comes to giving this kind of exposure to actors, this is our pleasure to do something like this, and we're doing it. And that creates a lot of good traction for actors, for artists and for producers. So वहाँ से पता पड़ता है अच्छा हो कि यहाँ की है, अच्छा ये यहाँ की है. Like for that matter, Ashka Kuradia is from Ahmedabad. So when you pap her, you'll get to know अच्छा ये तो रहने भी चलाती है, अच्छा ये वो है, अच्छा. So it's a very good connect for people. अच्छा, but then she was in TV, no, but she stays here. So a lot happens, a lot gets there. So this kind of connect when you bring, it's another level traction, and people love getting that kind of traction. People love having that kind of connect also. So done that a lot in the previous whatever years. Okay, meet this character. Okay, meet this. When it comes to Janki, when it comes to Mansi for that matter, whenever she's here or whenever she's in Mumbai, we try to pap because we're now in Mumbai also. So जैसे हो सकता है, ईशा हो गई, सब लोग. So you know, थोड़ा सा झलक दिखा दो, and then you talk about it. You remember this character, and then they'll be like, अरे हाँ, and then go back. So you know, that is how you create awareness about their films also.
Correct.
क्योंकि बन गई, सिनेमा से उतर गई, उसके बाद क्या, you know. So that's how you try to give that reconnect to them, that recall for that particular film. For that matter, Arohi, when you get Arohi and Malhar together, and then it's all lovely bhawai memories, and then people connect, oh, this is the pair. Yeah.
Nice. So then in this case, तो मैं आपको पूछने वाली थी, चलो पूछ ही लेती हूँ कि ऐसा हुआ है कभी कि you know, you have papped somebody and उनको वो inappropriate लगा हो, and they might have called you and asked कि इसको हटाओ, इसको उतारो, ये क्या चल रहा है?
हाँ, 2 बार ऐसा हो गया था. बट पहले हम लोग थोड़े ऐसे वैसे थे कि नहीं हमने निकालेंगे, हमने डाला है, हम लोगों ने. अब what if the other person is uncomfortable? And that's when I was told by 2-3 people who were my like advisors, is like, our idea of PAP was to be very, very healthy in the game. We are not supposed to create that kind of atmosphere wherein people are uncomfortable getting there. And that's when I realized that when he's asking to remove, let's remove, because at this point, and back then we were very new. So at this point, what we're supposed to do is get acceptance. And if you're going to shoo away people like that, ki no, this is not going to go away. I'm not 10 years in this industry of PAPs. I've just begun. So I have to give that kind of a thing, because they're also new. They've never gotten papped. So they would be uncomfortable facing the camera. Not everybody is, you know, conscious, or not everybody is not so, what do you say? Not everybody is confident or not so confident when it comes to camera. सामने से हो कि साइड में से हो कि अगर उनको पता है कि वो पैप हो रहे हैं, कभी पता होता है, कभी नहीं पता होता, they get there कि oh my god, so many people are going to watch. They're like, अरे live कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. So yeah, but that gets there. So वो मुझे समझ में आने लगा कि no, if I have to build that acceptance, if I want to build that culture and bring more people to do something like this, I'll have to listen to people. And then we as a team, we decided कि यार अगर ये गलत है ना, तो ये गलत है. अगर उसको नहीं अच्छा लग रहा, let's remove. फिर जो भी traction आ गया ना, तो फिर रहना. So तब से हमने करना start किया. But we are also very, very particular कि वो किस type की मांग रख रहा है. Just because कोई ऐसा comment है तो delete करो, नहीं. We are not going to do that. अभी वो सब पे comment आएगा. You are a public figure. You should be used to something like this. Everybody comments every kind of things. So we are not there to just delete one comment or something. वो हर कोई हर कुछ तरीके की बातें करेगा कि हाँ नहीं तो कहीं और करेगा, तुम कितने लोगों को रोकोगे. So that we've stopped. But yes, we take care of this particular idea that yes, अगर कुछ uncomfortable सामने वाले को लग रहा है और ये गलत है, we would not want to do anything toxic, unhealthy, or something that would bring the other person down for getting papped.
So it was wonderful having you here, DC, and I think I had a great time.
We had a great time.
Yeah, Jitli par bato, you have shared your dreams, your plans, everything. We hope and we wish you all the best. Ke bahut jaldi sachi pade and it becomes reality.